Hey, and welcome back to AAD Profiles. Today I want to talk to you about bathroom niches, where you put your soaps and everything like that when you build a shower. As we know, when you build a shower, you have to do a lengthwise, you have to do a frame with 2x4s or 2x6, depending on the size of the niche. And then you have to cut pieces, screw them in, cork everything, and then waterproof it, and then you can start building. With AAD Profiles, we've manufactured niches for you at any size you want, any length you want, we can do that for you. And this is how it looks. This is one of the samples. We can do a box, or we can do a shelf for you, and you can just go ahead and then do the insides and outsides. You can waterproof them, and then you can start tiling inside of them. So let me show you how easy it is to install. You just slide them into the wall and screw them on the sides, put screws on the sides, and it's done. And you can start working. Where you always have, maybe sometimes takes an hour to 2 hours to build these things. You can take this one and you can waterproof it. So you can take it and you can install it, and it's already waterproof. You just put the screws, put the board, and you can start tiling. So that saves you a lot of time doing this. Like I said, you can make them in different sizes, heights and lengths. You can make them like this. You can make them like that. So let me show you. So just take it, and it just slides into this area. And now you can just put your screws on the sides, and you're done. You're ready for tile. So you're more than welcome to give us a call at 770-910-6033, or visit our website at aadprofiles.com. You can email me your measurements at info@aadprofiles.com. And I'm looking forward to see you on the other side. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.